just look at the view from the restaurant. Mehrangarh Fort, blue city of Jodhpur. All the walls painted blue. Even this restaurant wall is also painted blue. Welcome to the blue city Jodhpur. As you can see behind me, I am in the Ghantaghar area of Jodhpur. This is a famous clock tower of Jodhpur which you can visit. But unfortunately, as repair work is going on, so the Ghantaghar is closed. And just from the Ghantaghar you can see the mighty Mehrangarh Fort there somewhere. I have half a day to explore Jodhpur because I am returning to my home today. Let me see what all I can see. First Ghantaghar I have seen, but unfortunately we cannot go inside as repair work is going on. I'm planning to go to the Mehrangarh Fort and the Jaswant Thada. I have come to a restaurant known as Indigo Restaurant, just half a kilometer from Ghantaghar, and I have ordered the typical lal mas and naan. And there you go, you can see the beautiful Mehrangarh Fort from behind. I guess the evening will be much better to have a rooftop dinner here, but unfortunately I cannot have because I have a early train to catch. You can see the city walls, this restaurant wall, railings and those houses all are painted blue. The blue city of Jodhpur. This area is also all painted blue. I guess the old city of Jaipur is only blue because the area from where I came, it was not blue. तुरजी का झलरा. First destination of the day, Turji ka Jhalra. It was constructed in 1700 and by a queen because queen had to create some public water works. So it is a step well in Jodhpur. Turji ka Jhalra stepwell, blue city, Mehrangarh Fort. Just near the Mehrangarh Fort. The climb is pretty steep, not for old people, not for old people. Very difficult to climb. I don't know when the gate will come. Mehrangarh Fort. Parking area there. Another parking area here. That is the way through which I came. Camel uncle sitting here. So if you are old people and you don't want to do the difficult trek, then come by this way. This trek was extremely difficult because I had eaten lal mas, the spiced mutton curry, and after that I had taken a lassi, sweet lassi from Mishri Lalji in Ghantaghar. That is a famous shop. So it was extremely difficult for me, and it is also 2 in the afternoon. So that will be a better option. Let me go and show you the fort. Taken the tickets. Ticket is 120 per adult, 60 for students, and I'm inside the Mehrangarh Fort, probably my last fort in this Rajasthan tour. So Mehrangarh was founded in 1459 by Rao Jodha of Marwar dynasty. The capital, previous capital was Mandor, and from Mandor the capital was moved to Jodhpur. So a new fort, Mehrangarh, was created. Let's go inside and see what it has to offer. Done with the palace museum. Now exploring the top. I guess that is some temple. Let's go and see the temple. That's the Mehrangarh Fort. And inside the fort complex we have a temple, that is the Chamunda Devi temple. Ma Chamunda is the Isht Devi, or the, what do you call, the local deity of Jodhpur. She is believed to be the goddess of the royal family. Outside of the Mehrangarh Fort, don't go away, just come to the parking because you will get a lovely view. See, here is the Mehrangarh Fort. Then this is the way through which I came by walking. And there you go, that is the old city part. The houses are painted blue, all the houses almost are blue. And there in the far, it's not visible here I guess, that is the Umed Bhawan Palace. That is the residence of the royal family of Jodhpur. It is considered to be one of the largest privately owned residence in the world. There in the far, it's not visible. And here in the far, this place is known as Jaswant Thada, which is a cenotaph. I am going to visit the Jaswant Thada. I cannot most probably visit Umed Bhawan because it is little bit far away from the city and it's already 3:40 in the afternoon. I have a train to catch in the evening. tickets for Jaswantthada, 30 rupees per person. So it was built in the year 1899 or something by Maharaja Sardar Singh in memory of his father Jaswant Singh II. So this is basically a cenotaph, and it is a burial ground for the royal family of Marwar. It is also referred to as popularly the Taj Mahal of Marwar. And you can find beautiful music playing there. Small pool-like structure. Let me show you from inside. That is it from the Jaswantthada. It's already 4:35 in the afternoon. I have completed 4 places in my half day tour of 4 hours 30 minutes. The first place was Turji Ka Dal, then second place was the Ghantaghar, third place was the Mehrangarh Fort, and fourth one the Jaswantthada. I could not go to the Umaid Bhawan Palace and some places which require time. If I could have had 5-6 hours, then I could have easily completed them. Leave it aside. That is it from Jodhpur and Rajasthan. If you haven't checked out my Jaipur and Udaipur videos. So see you in another video, another place, another topic, another time. Till then, goodbye.